Hey beauty, see what we have here today. It's your most favorite Cameroonian Ndolé. Sure you want to see how we came out with this mouth-watery delicacy. Please stick through. Guys, in this recipe we'll be needing fresh washed bitter leaf. You can check my previous videos where I washed this particular bitter leaf using the easiest method you can ever think of. Next, we'll be needing this shredded tilapia fish. You can use any protein of your choice. I decided to use this, and the main key of it, which is our boiled peanut. And also be needing some beef, which is already air fried, and I'll also be needing some shrimp, which I'm going to fry later on, some onions, and also have garlic, ginger, onions that I'm going to blend. We also need some black pepper, just a little bit of it, like the quantity I'm putting. For my own quantity, it depends on what the quantity you're using, and the key, which is our Bebeb, African nutmeg. Please do not forget to miss that. This is also coriander seed we'll be needing, and to spice it up with our salt and Maggi, not forgetting this vegetable oil. Guys, without any waste of time, let's get started. First, in our blender, we have to blend this peanut, which is already boiled. Please do not blend it to be too smooth. Let it be coarsely smooth, not too smooth, like the consistency you're going to see there. That's the first batch of it. I'll be putting in the second batch of my peanut. In this quantity, I use two packs of peanuts. I don't know the quantity you have of the bitter leaf you want to make. It depends on the kind of bitter leaf the quantity of the bitter leaf you want to use. Okay, so this is okay for me. So guys, we are done blending our peanut. We'll set that aside. Next, we're going to be blending the ginger, garlic, onion, some chili, and mixed with the black pepper. But if you're using the already blended pepper, you just put it during the process of cooking. We're done with that. Next is to fry our shrimp, already salted with a little bit of Maggi and salt. Okay, so we're going to fry that. That's one will come at the end of our ndole when it's already prepared to spice it, that is to garnish it. You know what I mean. Note that when you're frying your shrimp, it shouldn't be too dry. Just like the way you see here, it should be freshly fried, like not too dry and not too fresh. Setting that aside, it's our ndole peanuts. We have to boil that until it's ready. After it's ready, remember that the peanut was already boiled, so when cooking now, we don't need to let it boil again for a longer period of time. So that's why we're already bringing in our ingredients, like you can see that we already mentioned. Next, I'll be adding in the Bebeb. Because of the quantity I'm using, so I'll be needing 2 of that bottle cover. Okay, next put in our white pepper and bring in our coriander and also spice that up. When you're done with that, you give it a good stir, mixed very well. After that, you bring in your already deboned fish. Guys, The next is to bring in that fresh, charming looking vegetable. You see the greeny nature of that vegetable, guys. I think you'll need it. You want to see, you can see it even from the outcome of this delicious ndole. It's so green. There is a secret to make it happen this way. You need to check my previous video on how to wash your bitter leaf easily, that will retain the greeny nature and also retain its nutrient. So please check out that video. So guys, mixing all of that, we have to be very cautious about our groundnut and the quantity of bitter leaf, so that everything must be balanced. Setting that aside, it's time for us to heat our oil and to finish the process. Ndole is a very, very important delicacy in our country, Cameroon. There is no occasion without this meal. You know what I mean. So that's the quantity I want for this. If you want more oil, you can add it, but guess what, it's not too healthy for you. Okay, so this one is okay for me. Guys, our ndole is already ready. Just look at it. Are you, just be truthful to yourself, are you not yearning for this? Are you not craving for this now, right now? Myself, I'm craving for it. As I'm talking like this, I feel like I should be eating, you know. Oh my god. I need that yam, that white, oh my god, that white yam right now. Yes, so our ndole is finally ready, guys. It is ready. Bring your spoon and plates and everything. Let's have some. Guys, you see the way it looks, so attractive, greeny, and that's how it tastes. Super delicious. Follow the recipe I just outlined and you will come out with this exact result. Many people were asking me of the video I made last time on how to prepare ndole. I'm very sorry I had to delete all of them for one reason or the other, because before monetization there were some things that were there that were not supposed to be, so I had to delete that video. And people were writing me in my inbox, they love that particular video, can I make another? And that's the reason why I am making this one, for benefit of those who were asking for it and for the benefit of those who still need it or would like to see this version. Guys, trust me, if you follow this particular method, you will enjoy what you are seeing, especially with coriander in quote. It gives it that particular delicious, unexplainable taste. See this, look at this vegetable, look at this sauce. Is it not delicious? Just look at it. Looking at it will make you want more. You want to have, I don't know how I can express it. Oh my goodness. It tasted super delicious. That outcome speaks for itself. Try this method and thank me later. Do not forget to subscribe.